Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making a craft for Easter. We're going to do a really cute Easter bunny wall art piece. So I have a couple crafting remnants. Basically, I knew that I wanted to do a bunny cutout craft, but I didn't know what I wanted to make it out of because clearly I have options. But I was going through one of my mini crafting bins and I found this, which is a partially used marble folder, filing folder. I haven't seen this thing in a minute, okay? I used to love these. I have a couple of them that I just found. But basically, these were my go-to for crafting for a while and for home organizing and for everything because I loved them. They're melting marble file folders. What's not to love? So I grabbed one that I had already used part of because why cut into a brand new one when you've already got one that's partially destroyed? I have this. Which is just a piece of white kind of felty foam, like the spongy foam you get at the craft store. Apparently I've already used it. I couldn't even tell you what for. And I have these, which I love, that I find a reason to buy every year. You get them at the Christmas section at the craft store, just little tree picks. But these are just fun pom-poms. I love them. I have a handful of them, but I've made them into pens. I've made them into a whole bunch of things. I do love them on pens, little marabou pens. They're so much fun. But I have a couple of them, so I'm going to sacrifice one today as a bunny tail. And yeah, basically what you need is hot glue, scissors, something flexible like this. See how it moves? And then something hard and rigid like this. This is not super flexible, so I'm going to use it as the interior bunny itself because that can be flat. I feel like if I try to fold it and cut it, I'll crease it too much. It's not gonna work. So choose your bunny tail. That's what this is. With something that goes with the color scheme. So I got pink on pink, and then we're gonna outline it in white. It's gonna be super cute. I'll link everything you need down in the description below as always, and let's get going. So this is a really fast, super easy craft. All you're gonna wanna do is first off, make sure that you are working with the same size pieces, both for your backing, whatever color you choose for that, and for the soft front. So I'm just lining up my folder and foam and going to cut it straight across the seam of the folder line. That seemed like a good place to do it. It also left it about the size that I want my art piece to be. I'm gonna cut the tab off the folder and then just try to even it up a little bit. So basically what you wanna do is cut the bunny out of the top piece, and then the inside pink marble is going to show through. So we're going to fold the foam in half, just kind of lengthwise or hot dog wise. And then you're gonna cut your bunny out. You just can kind of do this by sight and vision. You don't really need a stencil, although mine did not turn out quite the way I was expecting, but it's still cute and you can always just go back in and clean it up. It doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. I just thought that was easier when cutting it to cut the body and the head and then the ears. The ears are a little tricky because they don't connect in the center when you're cutting them both out at the same time. But yeah, just kind of cut it out a little bit, make a bunny standing upwards. You're really just going for the rough silhouette. So don't worry if it's not perfect. And then you're going to glue that down to the folder. You can do that just by lining it up, adding a little bit of hot glue, and then pressing it firmly down, trying to make sure that you don't get too many wobblies from the hot glue underneath. And then cut the wire off your pom-pom, fold the little bit of wire that is sticking out back on itself, apply some hot glue, and stick it on for your bunny tail. All right, guys, honestly, are you shocked by how cute this is for how little work and little time it took? Because I kind of am. Even when I was thinking about doing it, I knew it would be a quick craft, but I was shocked by how much I love it. I seriously love this. So it's kind of an inversion of what you would expect. It's the marble bunny surrounded by the white soft stuff as opposed to a white soft bunny surrounded by hard marble or whatever. But I love it. I think this is super cute, really, really pretty, and just an adorable little piece of wall art. You can hang it up by itself or frame it, and I think it would look great either way. But this is definitely a fun piece of spring decor, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thanks so much for watching and joining me here today. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So this is what we are looking at with our bunny, and he's super cute. He turned out really, really well and just so easy to do and such a fun little spring craft. And hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.